her first ride on her new motorcycle. Here we go. She's gonna take off.
Your side stand. Now go ahead, squeeze that clutch. Hit it first, put your foot down there. Now do that rocking chair. Find out what that friction zone is.
Rock!
Easy. There you go. It's a lot more sensitive than that training bike.
Oh my God, she's gonna do it.
Yeah, I mean, you can do that little walk all the way to the end of the parking lot. That way you get that friction zone memorized, okay? And try to keep the bike upright. If it leans over a little bit, it's heavy. Okay? I'm going to get this back and I'll come back and watch it. Oh, there's one.
Yes. There she goes. She's going on her bike.